Welcome to the University of Lethbridge Library. This video will provide you with an overview of the online services available to you, including access to resources, research assistance, help guides, and videos, and where you can find more information about our services and our frequently asked questions. If you've been directed to use the library for your research, you're probably interested in accessing some of the many resources the library owns and to which it subscribes. Materials ranging from books to streaming audio and video, from maps to statistical data, and business information to chemical structures. The library provides you access to the information you need. Materials come in a variety of formats. Some are physical, which you can access in person, and some are digital, so you can access them anywhere you have an internet connection. The single search box, located on the center of the library homepage, allows you to search multiple library resources, like multidisciplinary and subject-specific databases, as well as our help guides, all at once. In order to use these online resources, you will need to log in using your U of L single sign-on ID and password. Regardless of whether you're at our Calgary or Lethbridge campus, you can access physical materials by clicking the request link under the item information where you're searching. If you have any questions during your research process, you can always ask us at the library. During our hours of operation, we're available by phone, email, IM, or text. If you are in Lethbridge, you can also come by our service desk and speak with someone in person. If you contact us outside of our hours of operation, we'll get back to you as soon as we can when the service resumes. If you need more help finding or evaluating sources for a research assignment, booking an in-person appointment or virtual meeting with a professional librarian at a time that works for you is easy. The library provides many resources to help and instruct you, which can be accessed 24/7 online. Our library guides offer how-to help for any stage of your research process, from planning to evaluating sources. And we offer clear and easy citation guides for major citation styles, such as MLA, APA, and Chicago. We also have guides organized by subject area, which are a great place to start your research as they recommend different sources and databases relevant to your studies. Other guides provide help in finding particular types of sources or using different kinds of technologies. The U of L Library YouTube channel also has instructional videos covering topics like evaluating sources, important search techniques, and more. From the library homepage, you can access your library account and see what materials you have signed out. You can also see today's hours in the middle of the page and click to see a month's schedule at a glance. For more information on our services and upcoming events, select from the list under the Services drop-down menu. Library policies can be found under the About Us drop-down, and answers to frequently asked questions are available under the Help drop-down. In this video, we've covered a lot of information on the online services available to you through the U of L Library. The most important thing for you to remember is that we're here for you, and you can always ask us if you have any questions. This is your library, and we are here for you.